God, it will be done. My music room. Yun. It will be done. Thank you for your support, guys. Especially Ma'am Hody Rudy, praise to him. Ayusin ko pa to. So, lagyan pa ng tawag dito wuling. At yun alcoba. Saradong sarado talaga to siya. Ang liit-liit lang dito maliit lang siya. So that's all. Abangan nyo po ang pagdidevelopan nito niya. So thank you so much, and this is your friend again, Mark Channel. Bye bye.